Arson first began with David Berkowitz, also known as the Son of Sam. He murdered 6 people in New York when he set 500 fires between 1974 and 1977. Though arson was not as serious as murder during that time, it's still considered a serious crime. Berkowitz, he's the one who really paved that path for criminal law to address arson as we see present day. So arson, why is arson a crime? Arson is the act of someone who willfully burns a dwelling such as a house, apartment, or another person. Arson is a felony and still should be taken very, very seriously. When a criminal act like arson has been committed, the jurisdiction, intention, and type of property is carefully analyzed within court. The severity of arson is measured in 3 degrees in the state of Arizona specifically. The first degree is when the building or home is burned with knowledge of someone inside, meaning if the defendant knew that there was going to be people inside and then purposely set the building on fire and with the intent to kill them. And then the second degree is when a building or home is burned without someone inside, just meaning there wasn't anyone inside and the intent was to burn the building. And then the second degree, the third degree, is when an area or property is destroyed, with no other person present, meaning no one was there, period. Not just the fact that someone wasn't inside, there was just no one there. Now this differs, every state is different with how they punish it. But it's usually broken up into several categories in Arizona, such as aggravated arson, reckless burning, unlawful symbol burning, unlawful cross burning, wildlands burning, or arson of a jail or prison facility. Some of the punishments that we will see, starting with wildland burnings, it means it's causing wildland destruction according to Arizona state law because of a reckless behavior, is a class 1 misdemeanor, and a class 1 misdemeanor carries a 6-month jail term, a probationary period of 3 years, and a fine up to $2,500 in surcharges. And then when we look at cross burning and unlawful symbol burning, it's a class 1 misdemeanor. The offense carries a maximum prison term of 6 months and a 5-year probationary period and a fine of $2,500 with surcharges as well. And then it's also a class 1 misdemeanor that carries a prison term up to 6 months, 3-year probationary period, the $2,500 plus surcharges. This is all still under that cross burning and unlawful symbol burning. And then arson of a jail or a prison facility, that looks a little bit different. It's a class 4 felony, which carries a prison term up to 12 years and 5 months, 7-year probation, and a $150,000 fine. And then the destruction of the property with this is still under arson of a jail or prison facility. The destruction of a property worth more than $1,000 is considered a class 4 felony, and it carries a jail sentence of 18 months. Still under that class. Class B would be property worth between 105 and 1,000, not 5, sorry, is a class 5 felony with a 9-month prison sentence. And then and still in the same class, but C, property worth less than $100 is a class 1 misdemeanor, and it has a jail term of up to 6 months and a probation of 3 years. So that's it.